Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Now you can buy these on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $250. Now on a side note, these came out a long time ago, but when they first came out, the price was $350, so I decided to pass on them. Now I got a bunch of active noise canceling headphones already. I got the Bose, the Sonys, and my favorite Blue Satellites. So I didn't feel like I needed these. So why did I decide to pick these up? 3 reasons. Number 1, last week Apple came out with the red iPhone 8 Plus, so I wanted to get some red headphones to match. Number 2, when I did that unboxing for the red iPhone 8 Plus, a lot of people wanted to see what these look like in real life, so I'm going to show you right now. And the last reason, which is the most important reason, the price drop. $250, now the price is right. Alright, so let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Now, like I said, $250. If you go on Amazon, you got different prices for different colors. Now, these come in a bunch of different colors. You could get them for even cheaper. If you get the blue ones, you're looking at maybe $230. And some of them cost a little bit more, like the porcelain ones, you're looking at $300. All right, let's go through the features real quick. Now, these are wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, they feature pure adaptive noise canceling. Now, with the active noise canceling off, it's going to put them into low power mode. Now, you get up to 22 hours worth of battery life with the active noise canceling on and 40 hours worth of battery life with it turned off. Now, these feature fast fuel. That means when the battery dies, you plug these in for 10 minutes and you get an extra 3 hours worth of playtime. Now, that might be the best feature of these headphones. Now, you can control your music, manage your phone calls, so that means you can answer and end phone calls directly from the headphones, and you can play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, and activate your Siri or Google Now. And you got a built-in microphone. All right, here we go. Presentation. That's what it's all about with Beats. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. I got the little unboxing knife back from vacation. Here we go. Look out, Zerks. Rah. Had to do that slow so I don't give Zerks a haircut. It is what it is. All right, here we go. Now, if you ever bought Beats headphones, you already know what to expect. A quality presentation. This should be no different. Now, let's see. Is this box trolling me? All right, here we go. All right, so this slides right off. Okay, here we go. You got your Beats logo on the box. Let's see what you get inside. Okay. Change the way you hear sound. Another Beats logo, little red tab. Pop that out. Now, it comes with a box. It comes with a carrying case. Hard shell material, which has classic red Beats logo on it, and the logo on the zipper. Let's see, is there anything else in the box? Okay, now here's your red 3.5 cable. So if you want to listen to these without using your Bluetooth, got a cable on deck. Let's see, you get your usual books and shit, pluck them, file them to the side. You get your classic Beats Troll sticker. You already know what to do with that. And some more usual books and shit. Let's see, now here's your charging cable. Now this might be the biggest downside to these headphones. They still using micro USB for the charging cable. Now you would think with some Beats headphones, you would get a lightning adapter or even USB Type-C. Nope, you're getting regular micro USB. And you get a carabiner clip for your bag. Let's go ahead and attach that right now and see how that looks. Okay, just like this. Hang it right on your gym bag. And that's pretty much it. Now for the coup de grace. Here goes the headphones. Now look at these. The red color looks beautiful. How does it look with your red iPhone 8 Plus? Perfect match. Now let's keep it real. This is half of the reason why you're buying Beats headphones. It's not all about the sound quality and the active noise cancellation. You're buying it for this logo right here. Let's keep it real. When you're walking around, Beats are one of the most fashionable headphones, the most trendy. So you want to look trendy. Now you want to look like LeBron James. You want to look like Nicki Minaj. Everybody, all the celebrities got the Beats. You want a set of Beats too. You go to the gym. Everybody's rocking Beats. So half of this is about the look. And these pass the look test. They look beautiful. Let's see. Nice amount of stretch on these. All right, so whatever size dome you got, you're going to be able to fit these. I don't know, nobody's head this big, but you can fit them. Maybe Andre the Giant, but you good money. On one side, you got your Studio 3 logo, wireless. Here's your Beats control switch. Now, you tap this once, play and pause, hold it down, activate your Siri and Google Now, tap it twice, skip tracks, Tap it 3 times, reverse tracks. This is your 3.5 input for if you want to use non-wireless status. Peel this off. Here's your micro USB charging slot, your active noise canceling button, and your 5 LEDs to determine battery life. Pretty much it. All right, the ear cups. Let me do the smell test on these. All right, they smell very leatherish. They look and feel comfortable. Let's slap these on and see how they feel. Okay, they definitely feel comfortable, sitting nice and tight around my ears. But the look, I'm definitely feeling the look of these. Now, I thought these was going to look a little bit bigger, but they actually don't look that big. Giggity. All right, so what I'm going to do is, matter of fact, let's do this in real time. Now, one of the best features about these headphones, other than the fast fuel, is the W1 chip. Now, with the W1 chip, you're going to get your seamless pairing, which I'll show you right now. Let's power these up. Okay, let's pull out the iPhone, and let's see how fast these pair up. Check that out. Now, it just popped up. We hit connect. Done. Just like that. Now, that was literally less than 3 seconds. Headphones already paired up. Now, with the W1 chip, this is stored in my cloud. So if I pull out another iPhone or pull out another Apple product, it's going to be the same thing. All right, so these are all paired up, ready to go. Now, with the W1 chip, you're getting better Bluetooth range. Now, Beats claims you're getting up to 100 feet. Even if it's 75 feet, that's still better than the 30 feet that you get with most headphones. These are going to be perfect for the gym and for traveling. And let me tell you why. Now, when you're at the airport, you got your phone plugged in to one of those little charging docks. You can still walk around the airport. You can walk around a little area way more than 30 feet. But the best feature for in the gym. Now, when you go to the gym, plug your phone in, and you can walk around the whole gym and still listen to your music without having your phone in your pocket. That's a major go. All right, so let's grab some music. We'll test these out. Let's see what we got on deck. Let's go with some Travis Scott. I've been rocking that song lately. Let's find that real quick. Matter of fact, let's see. I'll just scan through and see what comes up. All right, so we got some Wu-Tang. Let's throw on some MGM Wu-Tang. Let's get max volume. Now, we'll try these with the noise canceling off, and then we'll try them on. Now, this is my first time hearing these. Y'all hear the music is on? All right, hold up. I got to get the full effect. All right, so I'm going to pause these. Got them on nice and tight. Here we go. Max volume. Here we go. Okay, let's go. This is the song if y'all want to listen with me. Okay, not as bass heavy as I thought. Here we go. All right. All right, I'm feeling these so far. Here we go. Up in the MGM coked up site. Woo, let's go. All right. Let me not get too hyped. All right, matter of fact, all right, so this is what I got to do. Now, these headphones have active noise cancellation, so we're going to have to try that out, and I can't try that in here. So I'm going to walk around the corner to the store. It's broad daylight outside right now. All the cars, all the traffic, all the noise. We're going to test these with and without the active noise canceling turned on, and I'll let you know how they sound. But initially, fresh out of the box, one thing I will say, the sound of these Beats headphones is not what I expected. Now, usually when you buy Beats headphones, you're thinking about extra overpowering bass. That's a lot of, it's one of the complaints that a lot of people have, too much bass on the Beats headphones. These definitely ain't overpowered bass. All right, so if you're looking for the maximum bass headphones, I'm still going with the Skull Candy Crusher Wireless as my OD bass headphones. These so far, they sounded nice and balanced, crystal clear, and the music was definitely loud. So I'll test it out for phone calls, I'll test the Bluetooth range, and I'll be back in a second. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just came back from the store testing these out, and I gotta let y'all know what I think about them. On a scale of 1 to 10, for $250, these are a major go. Now, for $350, that's a no for me, dog. This is the perfect example of why sometimes it's better to wait for the price to drop before you pick up certain products. Now, if I would have bought these for $350, I would be tight right now because these headphones definitely ain't worth $350. Now, for $250, the price is right. All right, so let's check these out. First up, build quality. Now, these definitely don't have a premium feel to them. Everything is plastic. If you move them around, they sound a little bit janky. Yeah, they stretch a lot. They're probably not going to break. but it just has that plastic, non-premium feel to it. Now, if you grab some blue satellites, these are aluminum. Everything is heavy duty, nice thick leather. These feel like they're worth $350. These don't have that same feel. Now, lightweight headphones, that's a good thing and a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. Now, if you're buying these headphones to travel, you're going to want some lightweight headphones if you're rocking these for 7 hours straight. I will say rocking these on my flights, they do start to get heavy after a while. So these, if you take these to the gym or you're riding your bike, they're going to sit nice and light on your head. You're not going to notice them. Next, let's talk about sound quality. Now, if you're used to buying Beats headphones, you want that thunderous bass. If you listen to hip hop music, rock and roll, EDM, house, and you like heavy bass, one thing I will say about these, Beats definitely toned down the bass. Now, I was expecting to get blown away by the bass, and that's not the case. These are definitely a lot more balanced. Now, the bass is still there. It's very thunderous, but it's not head-pounding bass. I'm going to say this again. If you're looking for that head-pounding bass, get the Skull Candy Crusher Wireless. Those are my favorite bass headphones. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say that's that reproduced vibration kind of bass. I don't care. Those sound crazy. Those are my day-to-day gym headphones when I'm looking for the overpowering, thunderous bass. These are a lot more balanced. Now, as far as the active noise cancellation feature, they do work. Now, are they better than the Sony or the Bose? I would say they almost equal, but I'm still going with the Sony and the Bose a little bit more. And my favorite active noise cancellation is the blue satellites. But these definitely ain't a slouch. Now, let's talk about the key features that I do like. Number one, fast charge. 10 minutes worth of charge for 3 hours battery life. Now, that's the same with a lot of the Beats headphones that just recently came out. That's not a gimmick. That's the truth. So this way, you charge these up for 10 minutes. You could go to the gym for 2 days straight. That's a major go. Now, 22 hours worth of battery with the active noise cancellation on and 40 hours with it off. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Now, the W1 chip for that extended Bluetooth range, that's a major go. Also, 100 feet, walk around your whole house wearing your headphones with your phone laid up on the dock. Now, there's a couple of things that I don't like. Number one, the biggest thing that I don't like is micro USB charging. Now, I'm about to go on a trip in a few minutes. I got to catch a flight. I'm bringing a bunch of gadgets with me. I don't think I have no phone or no product that still has micro USB charging, so I'm forced to bring this cable with me. You would think in this day and age, you would have lightning adapter or even USB Type-C to kind of be in line with the rest of the products that's out. You don't have that. Is that a deal breaker? No. Now, there's another thing that I don't like. If you plug the cable in and the battery is dead, you can't use the headphones. Now, that's a major downer for me. A lot of times, especially if you got a bunch of headphones, you might forget to charge these up. Now the day comes, you want to rock out your Beats headphones. They're not charged up. You can't use these without having a battery life. Now, that kind of negates it with the fast charge, because even if you pull these out, you can charge them up for 10 minutes and you get 3 hours. But I don't like the fact that they have to have battery in order to be operated. Now, what's the best feature about these headphones? Let's keep it real. The look. These are the most trendiest headphones. Everybody knows Beats, that logo, that's kind of iconic. All right, if you're doing it for the culture, you already know. Beats headphones, these are just trendy, very stylish. If you got your red iPhone and you wanted to see how these look together, this is the perfect match. Now, I'm going to be honest, this is about 75% of the reason why I got these headphones. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to be blown away with audiophile quality music. I wasn't expecting, extra dope sound quality, but they are nice and loud. The sound balanced, great battery life, and the best thing about them, the look. $250, I would say pick these up. If you want that porcelain color for $300 or $400, I would say no. Get these or get the blue ones for a little bit cheaper. $250, you'll be satisfied. Anyway, these are the Beats Studio Wireless 3. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Call quality. Now, I did make a phone call. The call quality sounded great. I had no complaints with the call quality. Anyway, these are the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, run the beam up. Energize.